In this video, I'll be showing you how to change language on Deepseek. It's super simple. Let's dive right into it. First, open Deepseek app on your phone. Once you are in, tap on your profile icon. It is in the top left corner. Tap on it. You can find your name at the very end right here. Tap on it and you'll be seeing the language right here. Tap on it. Now tap on language. Here a list of available languages will pop up. Scroll down and simply select the language you want to switch to. Let's select this one. Once you tap it, the app will automatically update to your chosen language. Go back. And that's it, your Deepseek app is in your preferred language. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.